Okay, I received my Maniology kit today. I just paid shipping and handling for it. So this is just going to be the unboxing or unwrapping. This is the packaging. Nice. Thick, just came in my mailbox. Then I just cut it open beforehand since I'm just using one hand today. Alright, so, oh cool, there's a little dark chocolate Aloha Max that's in there. So that's it. Then this is just telling what it is. So it's the Forever Young Nail Stamping Starter Kit. On there. So let's get to it. It's a cute box. Forever Young Stamping Starter Kit. Little sticker on there. See if I can get it off with one hand. There we go. Ooh. Okay, so this comes with, I believe, 2 stamping plates. So here's the first one. It's the Maniology. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Maniology M013. So this is what it looks like. Sounds pretty cute. I love the little words on there. Then here's the other one. Oh, that's cute, that little paper airplane right there. So this is the Maniology M012. Oh, and this is what the back looks like. And then, oh, this is cute. So this is the little scraper. It's not that big, which it doesn't really have to be either. Cute little scraper. So you can kind of see how big it is. Not very. That little size comparison. And then this is the stamping guide. So this just kind of teaches you how to clean them. Alright, just stick that aside. Then this starter kit also comes with a clear stamping tool. Let's see, this one's a little harder wrapped. Let me see if I can get it. There we go. Okay. Block there. And this, you can actually stick your finger all the way through to that little gel thing on the inside. That's interesting. And then if I open it, oh, nice and firm. Stick that aside. And then it also comes with two polishes. So this one, it's a white one. This is called Bam White B170. And then on the top, it's a Swatch Me. What I've seen other people do, they end up putting a stamp on there so then you can see how it comes out on top of white and black. Though I doubt this would do much with the white. And then this one here, it's a nice blue color. This one is Indicon, so B200. And same thing, you can swatch it on the top with one of your stamps that you have there. And then this is kind of interesting. I like how this is very firm. It's like some type of foam. It's not styrofoam, but it keeps it all nice. So nothing's moving around, nothing gets broken, which is always nice. So I will be doing another video to kind of put the actual stamps on my fingers. I have very short nails and always have. They're a little more stubby than others. They're not these beautiful long ones, but I'm super excited to try this. I hope you guys like this video. If you could give it a thumbs up and press subscribe, and I will be uploading more. Bye!